Stumps might rule the battlefield for now, but not for long. We're unleashing high-tech machines to wipe them out and clear the path. Welcome to Discover Tech. Let's get started.
All right. If anybody knows,
Stump removal can present significant challenges, particularly with deep-rooted systems. However, the K4 50 loader sock dozer offers the necessary power and traction to make the task significantly easier, delivering efficient extraction with minimal operator effort. The Caterpillar 309CR demonstrates exceptional efficiency with its integrated saw and grapple system. This dual-function setup allows for seamless branch removal and site cleanup, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity on any job site. The Bandit chipper is an absolute monster. We're not just talking about cutting branches. This thing obliterates them. Fast, clean, brutal. Watching it work is like seeing nature's shredder on full throttle. You blink and the brush is gone. This is a smart integration of cutting and splitting functions. With a 7.5 kilowatt motor providing solid torque and a 700 millimeter carbide tip saw for clean, precise cuts, the system looks promising. The real test will be its performance on dense hardwoods. Can it maintain consistent speed under load? Equipping a 12-ton Liebherr excavator with the FM160 forestry mulcher transforms it into a high-efficiency land clearing solution. Engineered to handle dense vegetation, the FM160 rapidly reduces brush, saplings, and small trees into fine mulch, delivering unmatched performance in demanding environments.
Trying to do is clear your roots so you can get a good clean cut on it. Another cut.
Man, that moment when the last root gives and the stump just tips over,
Okay.
so satisfying. Leaving a bit of trunk for leverage makes a huge difference. But honestly, the best part might just be watching someone else go through the struggle I've been through plenty of times.
Found an irrigation line, so I'm going to do my best to work. There we go. All right. One of the roots that held it in probably the most. Uncover a little, and then I'm gonna probably one little root underneath here. I could probably hit it with, I'm just gonna kind of tap. There it is. The biggest part was that one large root that I took out. It's into the ground. So you'd want to cut
85 tons of timber, a narrow, steep, unpaved road. There's no room for mistakes, just raw focus and steady hands. These drivers aren't just skilled, they're fearless. This beast right here, the Ramsch XTO Absolute Unit. It eats the biggest, most stubborn stumps for breakfast. Massive frame, heavy-duty build, and zero hesitation. If you've got a serious job, this is the kind of machine you want on your side. Like a predator in the wild, the Croco logger locks onto every log with unstoppable force. It doesn't hesitate, doesn't struggle, just clean, rapid domination, turning tough timber into neat splits in seconds. Now it's just satisfying. It's a crisp autumn morning. The scent of wood smoke drifts through the air. You're out back, splitting logs like it's second nature, thanks to the Split Force 1320. With 26.5 tons of raw hydraulic power and lightning-fast cycles, the wood stacks high, and the work feels almost meditative. Pure satisfaction, one clean split at a time. Vermeer WWC 2300XL is a top-tier solution for large-scale land clearing and biomass production. Designed for right-of-way and vegetation management, it features a robust feed system and aggressive drum mechanism capable of processing whole trees into uniform chips. Its wide in-feed table and smart crush system ensures seamless handling of oversized material with minimal operator strain. That cedar was scorched and leaning the wrong way. We set 1,000 pounds of tension midway up the trunk, just in case. Deep in the timber, the Komatsu 931XC comes alive. With a roaring 6-cylinder AGHO engine and the iron grip of the C144 head, it handles dense stands and steep slopes like a pro. The 180-degree cab keeps the operator fluid and focused, while every cut stays clean and precise. This isn't just a machine, it's the muscle behind modern forestry. Equipped with a robust 250 horsepower Cummins Stage 5 turbo diesel engine, the GT25XP Gyro Track Mueller redefines efficiency in land clearing. Its patented saber-tooth cutting system delivers high-speed mulching with minimal effort, while the spiral tooth pattern enhances debris intake. This machine is engineered for high-performance clearing in even the most demanding environments. The Dissi 4-inch PTO chipper efficiently processes yard debris into high-quality mulch. Its environmentally conscious design ensures clean performance with minimal waste, a smart solution for sustainable land management. Picture this. You're in a John Deere skidder, chewing up slopes, hauling monster logs like it's a walk in the park. The engine's humming, trees are flying by, and it hits you. This isn't just another day on the job. This is pure green-powered greatness. There's something awesome about seeing an excavator take on huge oak trees like it's no big deal. That hydraulic arm and heavy-duty grapple, total game changer. It grips, lifts, and topples those giants like they're nothing. Power meets precision, and it's amazing to watch. I remember when prepping firewood meant sore shoulders, a sore back, and a long weekend. But the moment I fired up my homemade processor, everything changed. What once took hours of brute force now feels almost effortless. With its rich oak woodlands and investment in cutting-edge technology, North Carolina's timber industry continues to be a cornerstone of the state's economy. It not only meets growing market needs, but does so with a strong focus on sustainability, demonstrating how natural resources and innovation can go hand in hand to drive long-term economic growth.